Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable or how to set up a second factor authentication on your Google account. So first you're gonna go to your browser, in my case it's Google Chrome. So when you open it, you're gonna go to your image here, click and manage your Google account. When you're here, you're gonna go to security tab and then scroll down till you find two-step verification. You're gonna click on this tab and then you're gonna turn on two-step verification. Here you can put your phone number or you can simply skip this step and continue without your phone number. So here 2-second verification will be enabled. So you have many options. So you can do it by Authenticator, which is an app you can find on Play Store and the iOS Store, which is Google Authenticator. So you're gonna download this on your smartphone, enter your Gmail account, and just scan the QR code this app will be leaving, and you can turn on second step verification. So this is how you can turn on your second step verification in your Google account.